Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind. When did Emma and her family start cleaning? What was Emma's job during cleaning? How did everyone feel while cleaning? Now let's listen to the passage.
Last Saturday, Emma and her family decided to clean their house together. They started early in the morning after breakfast. Emma dusted the furniture and arranged the books on the shelf. Her brother, Leo, swept the floors and helped wash the windows. Their parents cleaned the kitchen and washed the curtains. Everyone worked with energy and shared small jokes while cleaning. By afternoon, the whole house looked bright and tidy. Emma felt proud when she saw how clean everything was. After finishing the work, her mother made lemonade for everyone. They sat together in the living room, enjoying their drinks and talking about how teamwork made cleaning faster and more fun.
When did Emma and her family start cleaning? Emma and her family started cleaning early in the morning after breakfast. What was Emma's job during cleaning? She dusted the furniture and arranged the books. How did everyone feel while cleaning? They worked with energy and shared jokes. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. Who swept the floors and washed the windows? What did the family do after finishing the cleaning? Who swept the floors and washed the windows? Emma's brother, Leo, swept the floors and washed the windows. What did the family do after finishing the cleaning? They drank lemonade and relaxed together.